channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Family Creations, and I'm so excited. Some of my Black Friday orders from Diamond Art Club are starting to roll in, and there are 2 in here. So I've already opened the box, but I'm gonna take out one at a time. Of course, I have my what do you call this? Packing slip here. It has a coupon code on it. Yep, still there. So we're going to do one at a time. There was a huge one in here. Let's see. Let's get the big one first. So y'all know I give each one their individual time. Did you know we got to look at them? Oh my gosh. I see which one this one is. All right. So I thought very long and hard about this one. All right. This is a huge one. You can tell that it's a square. Why? Because it has this blue ribbon around it, and it is a blue square here. This box is so beautiful. I love how they do the sparkles on it. Got instructions on the back as well. This one is big. Now, I might not know how to pronounce these names correctly, but I think it's Titania and Oberon. I think that's how you announce it or say it. So let's see. This one is huge, guys. Oh my gosh. Alright, so we're going to open it and see. I kept debating about this one, and I think I saw, who was it I saw working on this? I can't remember who it was. I don't know if it was Mrs. Coffee or, I don't know, or Rachel Ray. I can't remember. Somebody was working on this, and it turned out beautiful. So I said, well, let's see. Black Friday, you can't beat this sale. They only do this sale one time a year. So I said, you know what? I'm going to get it this time. Look at that. It can't even fit in the screen, guys. Sorry. Still poking out. Okay, there we go. Everything's out the box. All right. And since it is a square, this is your toolkit. You got double wax. There's 2 heart-shaped wax. Blue throw pin. Very sharp tweezers. Has a cap on it. There's a squishy blue squishy in there, some baggies, a 4-placer, and a clear bolt. You got your smaller sticker. And I'm going to show the book this time. Where is it? Here it is. This is a book that I got. I haven't started. Let me see. I got it in between my desk here. And I absolutely love it. And it is the Diamond Painting Guide and Logbook. This is by Jennifer Roberts. I forgot her. I think she's DP Addiction and Adventures or something like that here on YouTube. So she did this book, and I love it. Just the ins and outs about diamond painting. And in the back, she gave you some diamond painting log sheets. So I absolutely love this. You can write down all the beginnings of it when you got it, all that. And then right here, guys, is where the pictures go. The little squares that you get, the little extra. This fits perfectly there. So then you can have it there. So a lot of people don't, I'll leave it open to that because I got to do several. I don't think I can find my first one though that I did. Coco. I don't know what I did with Coco. But anyway, I can just print out a picture, thumbnail, and put it there. So here is the image. It is gorgeous. There are 2 fairies, and there are a lot of smaller fairies flying around them. He is holding her. That's his hand. She is in his arms, and they're floating up. She's got her gorgeous wand. He has his wand there. And the moon's here. I just thought this was so pretty. Just beautiful. I love fairies, mythical creatures. And there's a little bird here. There's a lot of little details in here. Some moths. Got a fairy riding a butterfly. Got some dragonflies. This is so pretty. So that is the name. Titania and Oberon. I hope I am saying it correctly. If not, okay. And it's by Josephine Wall. I love her designs. It is a square. It is 90 centimeters by 98 centimeters, which is 27.6 inches by 38.6 inches. Again, it's a square and it has ABs. There are 55 colors, and there are 2 ABs. So let's get into it. This is a huge canvas. Alright, so y'all can see by watching my unboxings, I have a variety of sizes. Some that won't take long, and then some that'll, I see 2 of 2. Oh, got the step-by-step instructions. It comes in every canvas, and it also has a coupon code inside. So there are 2 bags. Open this baby up. But I do have a variety of sizes, so, you know, when you feel like working on something big, you can. If you want to work on something quick to satisfy your craving, you can. Alright, so what I'm doing is rolling it the other way so we can get it to lay flat, and it is a long canvas. Alright. I'm glad I did get that super big easel so all these canvases can fit. I rolled it the other way. It is poured glue, so you know it does not affect the canvas. Look at this baby. Drills. Look at this. I love their faces, guys. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh, the lovingly affectionate look that he's looking at her. You know, I love it. And she's being swept off of her feet. You know we all like that. I love the colors. This looks like a peacock. This is their her wings. His wings over this way. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And the way he's holding her, I absolutely love it. Look at her wands. Got a little sparkle there. I'm just moving it down a little bit more so y'all can see. And then here are some butterflies and moths and dragonflies. And then you can see the other fairies here. This one's riding this butterfly. This one's hanging on. It's flying. Lots of little animals. Here's one here, a fairy. She's a different color. She's purple with green hair. And there's a bird here beside her. I absolutely love this. This is so pretty. So let's go ahead and lift up the plastic. Oh yeah, look at that. Very sticky. Y'all see that? It's following me. Very sticky. Y'all know I love to do that. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's look at the drill fill while we're here. Look at that beautiful purple. That purple is gorgeous. Those R's, oh my gosh. Everything is super clear. And there is the thumbnail. So big. I'm trying to not let it stick to nothing. There's the information again. Titania and Oberon. It's AB 70 by 98 centimeter by Josephine Wall and Diamond Art Club. This is a beautiful canvas. I'm loving the colors, and it looks like it might be pastel colors. And I've ordered a lot of her stuff for Black Friday, so I'm excited about that. I'm hoping that when you get a certain artist, they try to use the same colors in their canvases. I've known that Josephine Wall's canvases do have the same hues. So that'll be awesome. So if you have extra, you know, that color for her kit, which is still Diamond Art Club, but you know what I'm saying. Those colors, you might have it. Yes. This is so pretty. Very pretty. I absolutely love it. I'm just loving the affection that they're showing each other. Alright, let's look at these drills, guys. Let's flip her over, or them over, so we can see the white part. And we're going to go through these drills and see what we got here. There are 2 bags, and they're labeled. This one says 2 of 1, 2 of 2. Alright. And I think I said, what, 2 ABs? So let's see. I know me. I will be adding additional ABs because this canvas is super big. And just to have 2 ABs is not going to be enough for me. I want to see some extra sparkle. Even though normal drills sparkle, guys. Y'all know that. But you know, ABs are like drills on steroids. So, alright, here we go. We have 1, 2 trains on this bag. So let's go ahead and get started with these. Alright, so we got 98.55. We got 2 bags of 98.55. $7.98. Twist it up here. 2 bags of 3776, 334, 3860. That's like a, looks like a purple brown. And then we got 2 bags of 820. And then, oh my gosh, we got 2 bags of 136. Look at that. Now, I don't think I've gotten 2 bags of ABs of the same color, guys. Wow. So it must be everywhere on this canvas. This is beautiful 136. So we're going to actually see where that goes. Then we got 648, 644, 2 bags of 3755, 318, 2 bags of 414. I know I got ABs for that, but might not need them on that one. 471 and 333. That's the first one. Let's go to the second train. We got 775, 210, 3608, 165, a little bit, and it's got some pink in there. 720, 3326, 3771, 3607, 3733. There's our third AB, guys. Our normal 141 AB, that white, it's like an off-white. It is so pretty. I love the sparkle. 3348, 3078, 155, 208, 356, 3837, 3799, 647, 3731, 915. Now that's out that first bag, guys. So we're gonna push that to the side. All right, let's get into this second bag. So how many colors I say? 55? Oh my gosh. I wish my husband or my daughter would get into it with me and they could help me with the big ones, you know. So the second bag has 2 trains as well. So let's look at these babies. This one is 301, and we have 2 bags of 301, 2 bags of 977, 470, 413, 3861, 2 bags of 400, 898, 890, 939, that dark blue, 2 bags of 797, and 550. Y'all know I got ABs in 550. That's my favorite purple. 550. Second one, we have 2 bags of 937, that green, 2 bags of 310, and they're not big bags, so that's amazing. Awesome. 2 bags of 905. Wow, this is a double train here. 2 bags of 3854. 2 bags of 317. What's going on with this bag here? Something happened there. Because it's not, like when they sent it through there, it was together, so it's kind of disfigured. But it don't look like anything's wrong with the drills. Just the bag is disfigured. Hope that doesn't cut back on my drills, but they always give extra. So 317, 2 bags of 823, 2 bags of 895, 2 bags of 336, 2 bags of 327, wow, and 2 bags of 3371. Wow, this is my double train bags here. So that's all the beautiful colors. And now let's see where these babies go. All right, let's flip it back over. Woo! Huge, huge, huge. So we're gonna leave some of it off. Just look at their faces right now to see. All right, so the first AB is 136, and that's that purple, and it's the number 1. And I immediately see in her dress this purple, all this purple right here, and on his thigh here, going up around his waist, is this purple AB. Wow. Yeah, I probably don't need any more in this one, because I think we had 2 bags, right? Yeah, of number 1. Oh my gosh, is that all that up there? Let's see. Yep, all here is number 1s. Wow, guys, there's a lot of 1 up here. So yeah, that look like that might be enough sparkle up there. And in this canvas, number ones. I see some down here. So it's all sprinkled throughout. But it's a lot of at the top. We got a lot of... No, that's not it right here. Some on the dragonflies. Some on the... What is this? This is the moth or her dress? I can't see it right now. And then that's it for number ones. But there's a lot closer to the top of that. So then number 2 is 141. That's that white AB. And it is the number 2. So let's see. So none down here. It's probably up closer to the eyes. Okay. There are some right here. There's a star here on the shine from her wand. There's some white here in this fairy here. In her wings. Then there's some here. Here, going around. Here on her wings. But that looks like basically it. Around her wings here. But that's it. So it's really this 136 that's really sprinkled throughout. I might add one more beautiful color because I do see a lot of the pink in her dress. And orange. So I don't know which one. Maybe the orange I could pop a little bit. But we'll see. Or the green. I don't know. We'll see when we work on it. But isn't this beautiful? I know it's huge, guys. This is the picture again. Titania and Oberon. If I'm not pronouncing it correctly. Sorry. But that's how I see it. By Josephine Wall. Again, it is a square. 70 by 96. Y'all let me know what you think, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys. Bye-bye.